Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever tried to delete a partition in Windows Disk Management, only to find that the Delete Volume option is grayed out and completely locked? This usually happens with the EFI System Partition. Windows protects these files to ensure your computer runs safely, but sometimes, such as when cleaning out an old secondary drive, you simply need to reclaim that space. Therefore, I'll show you how to remove protected EFI system partitions that can't be deleted through the standard Windows Disk Management interface. Please note that deleting an EFI partition from your primary boot disk will render your computer unbootable. Follow these steps only for secondary drives, flash drives, or reused devices. Okay, let's start by learning how to remove the protected EFI system partition. In the search box on the taskbar, type command prompt and open it as administrator. This is necessary because we are making changes to the system disk structure. Once the window opens, enter the command DiskPart. We type this command to access DiskPart, the built-in and powerful Windows utility for managing hard drives and partitions. Next, enter the command list disk. This command will show us all the physical drives connected to the computer. Pay close attention here. You need to select the disk that contains the partition you want to delete. In my case, it's disk 1. Enter select disk 1 to precisely select the disk you want to work on. Make sure you select the correct number so you don't accidentally delete the wrong disk. After selecting the disk, enter list partition command to display a list of the partitions within that disk. A 500 megabytes EFI partition will appear. Enter the command select partition and enter the partition number, which in my case is 2. After selecting partition 2, enter the command delete partition override. This is the most important command, since the EFI partition, if the partition is protected, a normal deletion command will fail. Adding override eventually forces Windows to remove the protection and delete the partition immediately. A message will appear confirming the successful deletion. To verify the deletion, right-click the Start menu icon and select Disk Management. You'll notice that the space is now unallocated, so you can now create a new volume or extend an existing one. That's all for today's video. This is how you can force delete stubborn EFI partitions and reclaim hard drive space. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.